Honey, did you put hubcaps on the lawnmower?
Yeah.
Why did you do that?
I don't know.
Mark. Sure gonna miss him. Probably ran away. Boy, he's the best darn assistant a dad could ever have. I don't think I could finish that mower without him. I don't think I'll be able to rewire anything ever again. Boy, could that kid grunt. No matter where you are, Mark, this one's for you. The tree just grunted at me.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did. I heard it.
No, Daddy, it's me.
Mark, what are you doing up in the tree?
I did something bad.
You broke my tool, didn't you, Mark?
It jumped right out of my hand.
Shouldn't have been in your hand, though, right?
I was just playing.
We've been through this before. My tools are not your toys.
I'm sorry I broke your tool. It was an accident.
Accidents happen. It's not the end of the world. But when you break something of somebody else's, you gotta tell them.
Please don't trade me away like you did Peter.
Peter.
The sign you traded in for me.
What are you talking about?
The one who broke your flashlight. Don't you remember him?
Where do you get ideas? Let me guess. Brad, Randy.
Book it!
Mark, you want to listen to this good. I would never trade you for anything.
Really?
Really.
You know that tape measure that you should never find?
Go ahead, tell me. You lost it.
No, Brad and Randy broke it.
Good to have you back, son. Honey, the moment we've been waiting for has finally arrived.
Tim, you know, it's October. You really don't have to cut the grass now.
Honey, I'm not cutting the grass. I'm just taking the Taylor 1600cc lawn chopper out for a test run.
Honey, couldn't we just call your mother and ask if it's okay if you have a motorcycle?
Jill, don't worry. Got a helmet, seatbelt, what could happen?
Come on, Dad. Hurry up.
All right, boys. Prepare yourself for a new age in lawn maintenance. I think we all remember it used to take Dad hour and 20 to do the lawn. This bad boy, minute 5. I'll cut this thing so fast it'll be afraid to grow.
Honey, did you put hubcaps on the lawnmower?
Yeah.
Why did you do that?
I don't know.
Start the engine, Dad. Yeah, Papa will. Yeah. Fire it up.
Stand back. I think this monster mowing machine is ready to come to life.
All right, boys, inside.
Oh!
Hey!
Brad, come on, go.
You can't watch from the pit area.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, start your engines.